Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shweta, and if you guys are already a regular subscriber, then before you start wondering that why am I filming this video in my open hair, because that is a rare case. So I recently started using this one particular product and I almost instantly fell in love. So I thought of sharing my honest review with you guys. So yes, it's a hair care video. It's going to be very informative. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today's video is going to be about a product that totally changed my hair game. It's the Biolage Deep Treatment Pack. It comes in 3 variants. The pink one is for colored and treated hair. It's the Color Last Pack. The green one is the Hydra Source Pack, which is for dry hair. And the yellow one is the Smooth Proof Pack for frizzy hair. It comes in these 3 variants and you can choose according to your hair type. According to my hair type, I choose the green one, which is the Hydra Source Pack Deep Treatment for dry hair. My hair is really dry, especially during the monsoon season. It tends to lose moisture in a snap, and I always feel like I need something extra apart from the conditioner and a serum. I need something, but I wasn't sure what it is. So yes, after using this deep treatment pack from Biolage, I exactly knew what my hair needed. So let's talk about the packaging and ingredient list first. So it comes in a tube packaging like this, which is very cute and functional. It retails for rupees 350 for a 100 ml pack, which is very decently priced because you don't need that much amount and that much usage, so it will last you longer. So the ingredients are the Hydra Source Pack Deep Treatment for dry hair has aloe vera and spirulina extract, which deeply moisturizes and nourishes your hair. The Color Last Pack has orchids and apricot seed. It is for colored and treated hair. It helps in maintaining and increasing the vibrancy of color, and it also nourishes very deeply. It also has vitamin E. The Smooth Proof Pack for frizzy hair has camellia and castor oil, and as we all know, camellia and castor oil is great for nourishing and frizzy hair. So I normally shampoo and condition my hair on a daily basis, but once in a week I like to use this Hydra Source Deep Treatment Pack for dry hair onto my hair, and it literally changes my hair game. It literally transforms my hair as it provides 90% more care than an actual conditioner. I like to use this Hydra Source Pack onto my hair by sectioning my hair into different parts. I section my hair into 4 parts and then apply the product evenly and then twist my hair. Twisting ensures that the product evenly applies onto your hair and the deep treatment pack infuses deep into your hair. So yes, that is how I like to apply the deep treatment pack onto my hair. First, section the hair into different parts, then apply the product and let it infuse for about 3 to 5 minutes. So yes, that is how I like to apply the deep treatment pack onto my hair. First, section the hair into different parts, then apply the product and let it infuse for about 3 to 5 minutes. So let me show you guys some real-time before and after clips for you to believe. So this is how my hair looked before applying the product. It feels so dry and dull. It gets tangled very easily and combing them is a struggle. And this is how my hair looked after applying the deep treatment pack. It feels so soft and manageable and deeply nourished. Honestly, I don't even need to use a comb. My fingers would do justice. After using the deep treatment pack, you can apply a serum as you would normally do, but honestly, I don't even feel the need to use a serum. And to test out the different variants, I also use the yellow one, which is the Smooth Proof Pack for frizzy hair, and I must say it really tames down your frizz and your hair feels very soft and nourished. So whenever I feel my hair is frizzy, I like to use the Smooth Proof Pack, and it really manages the frizz out of my hair. I haven't used the Color Last pack because I haven't got my hair colored ever, but I'm definitely sure it too will work great. I use it once a week, which is a suggested time span, and it is literally so easy to use. Just apply the product in different sections and then twist your hair so that the product infuses in deeply, and leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it off with water. I highly recommend the BioLast Deep Treatment Pack for your hair type if you have dry hair, frizzy hair and colored hair which needs nourishment, as it truly transforms your hair and claim to provide 90% more care than a conditioner. You can check out my description box for more details and also for the links to buy the product. So that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and don't forget to push the bell icon to never miss a video update. And yes, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. I will mention all the links in the description box to follow me on all of my pages, my Instagram, my Facebook, and yes, my newly opened shopping page too. Yes, I now have a shopping page from where you can buy amazing trendy clothes. So yes, don't forget to follow that, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.